Hey guys, I got a 2005 Chevy Malibu up here. I'm having a problem with the doors constantly recycling all by automatically by themselves for some reason. I took the fuse out and it stopped, but I really need my doors to be working. As soon as I take the fuse out, it stops. And when I put the fuse back in, there it goes, recycling again. So I wanted to try this door lock, see if it works or not. If it was bad or something, I took it off and it was still doing the same thing, so I plugged it back in. Then when I came to this door, did the same thing. When I take it off, excuse me guys, you gotta take that back hornet out. Let me do that real fast. There it goes. It wasn't hard, but try to use a screwdriver. Helps out a lot. There goes the door stopped unlocking by themselves. But you still can control them. So really all I need probably is a new switch. I'll try that off eBay. I've seen one for $4.99 on eBay. Thank you. See if this video helps, and if it helps, give me thumbs up, please.